Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Koshio.com. So Koshio.com is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a wide variety of footwear. This platform has been actually booming on social media with a lot of fancy ads. Now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy ads. As you can see, this platform, the website is very intuitive and the quality of the product description and the pictures of the products are actually worth it. And they have a really wide variety of fancy products, and they have a really good features such as free shipping, free returns, and secure payment and online support. So I try to verify the secure payment process, and they do have a valid SSL certificate, which actually is a really big green signal that they have a certified payment process. Apart from that, they have also provided with the physical address and the email and the phone contact number. So this is transparency about the platform, which is actually a major good signal. Now let's dive in and find out what are the reviews of these products on the Trustpilot website. As you can see, it has a 3.9 rating out of 5 stars, which is based on 191 reviews. So the rating is slightly good, but the reviews are actually based on 191. So this is a major green signal, I would say. And as you can see, the 66% of the people have given the 5 stars and 24% have given the 1 star. So as I've tried to read the comments, the people are actually very much satisfied in the recent most reviews. So in conclusion, I would say this platform is basically a legit platform, so you can actually try buying the product from this platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.